Unlocking idioms, understanding, cut no ice. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase that might leave you cold if you don't know what it means. We're going to unravel the mystery of the idiom, cut no ice. If you've encountered this phrase and it left you scratching your head, you're in the right place. So, let's chill for a moment and dive into the icy waters of English idioms. The phrase, cut no ice, is an idiom in the English language. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. When someone says that something cuts no ice, they mean that it does not impress or influence someone's opinion or stance on a matter. It's as if whatever is being presented fails to break through the ice. It just doesn't have any effect. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help us remember its meaning. The phrase, cut no ice, likely has its roots in the days when ice cutting was a common activity. Back then, cutting ice was an important task because ice was used for preservation and cooling. If someone was bad at cutting ice, their efforts were essentially useless. So, when you apply this phrase to modern-day scenarios, it refers to something that's ineffective or makes no difference in a situation. Let's put cut no ice into action. Here are a few examples. 1. The fact that he had a lot of experience cut no ice with the interviewer, as they were looking for specific skills he didn't possess. 2. All his excuses cut no ice with his teacher. He still got a detention for being late. 3. Her connections in the industry cut no ice when it came to her actual performance on stage. By using the phrase in various sentences, you can see how it applies to different contexts, yet the underlying meaning remains the same. This idiom is fairly formal and somewhat old-fashioned. It's more likely to be found in written English or used in a formal speech rather than in everyday casual conversation. It's perfect for situations where you want to express that something fails to persuade or impress an audience or an individual. And that wraps up our frosty journey through the idiom, cut no ice. I hope this explanation has melted away any confusion and that you now feel confident using this phrase in your own conversations or writings. Remember, idioms are the spice of the English language, and knowing them can really enhance your communication skills. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again in our next video. Stay warm and keep learning.